Hey, it's Dr. Joe. Have you been suffering with some hip pain and restriction? Let me show you some stuff that you can do to fix it. If you're feeling your pain and restriction kind of right along the side here, if you push in and it feels tight and sore, a lot of times we're dealing with two muscles, the glute medius, and underneath it, the smaller muscle known as the glute minimus. The larger glute medius muscle spans across the lateral surface of the ilium and then inserts into the greater trochanter of the femur. The smaller glute minimus muscle lays underneath the glute medius and originates from the lower section of the ilium and also attaches to the greater trochanter of the femur. Okay, so get on the ground, get comfortable, make sure these muscles are nice and relaxed in here. The area we're gonna be working, if you look at the model here, is when you're gonna, down here is where the hip is. So if you put your thumb in here, you're gonna feel this bony area of the hip. We're gonna basically be working kind of above it, all across the ilium here, the surface right in here is where these muscles are going to be located, okay? They're kind of a flat, fan-shaped muscle, and we're going to be working right across here, okay? So the first thing we want to do, because tight muscles have restricted blood flow, we want to just generate some blood flow. So find that bony area of the hip, go a little bit above it, and then we're going to be working kind of that area of the ilium right across here. You can use a handheld roller, excellent way to get in on something like the glute medius and the glute minimus to generate blood flow. Also a great area of the body to get your massage gun out and get that massage gun and go right across that ilium in there where the muscles are attached and just go back and forth, side to side, and go up and down. So now break out the spiky massage ball. Let's try to dig in through that tissue here and break up any adhesion that might be in the area. So take the massage ball and now with firm pressure, press the ball down into those muscles and go across just like this. Go from the front all the way to the back and forth. I want you to spend a couple of minutes kind of digging in with as much pressure as you can handle. So gauge your pressure if you're new at this, but spend a couple minutes. If you come across an area that feels particularly restricted, I want you to put some good pressure and work on that like an extra 30 seconds. After you spend a couple minutes, if you feel like you're ready for this, and you may need to not do this for a few days, stick with just hand pressure for a few days, but when you feel like you're ready, I want you to actually get the ball underneath you now, and now just gently, use your arm to gauge your pressure, get that muscle on top of the spiky massage ball, and now rotate your body forwards and backwards and let that ball dig into that glute minimus and glute medius and spend 60 to 90 seconds kind of digging into the tissue. So get working that glute medius and glute minimus. A lot of times those two muscles are neglected and they can build up a lot of adhesion. Take control of your own health. Stay young, train hard.